Okay, everyone, today we're going to start on Google Sheets. You're going to need to control your excitement because there are very few things in this world as exciting as Google Sheets. They are magic. They can do everything. They will change the way you work. They will change your career path. They will change the decisions you make. They're just amazing. So, as you can see, I can't control my own excitement, but I hope you can control yours. So, let's just get our basics started today. In this doc, and I'm in the course outline, you have a bunch of files we'll use for this section. This one, this Introduction to Startup Operations and Technology Google Sheets demo, is the core one, so I double click on it to open it. The link's also here if you want to click there. So what you should do is make a copy of this file and move it into your course folder. So I'm just going to go File, make a copy. I'll just write Jared, so I know it's my version. I will navigate to the right place, which I'll just keep clicking left, 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 because I have a lot of folders. Go back to my drive in my folder. So I'm going to add one here, 01 Google Sheets. Enter, select, share comments. Now I'll leave those. Click OK. So that is going to be my version of the file. You'll see if I click here, it will show up right here. There's my docs from last time. Here's my sheets from this time. There is my version, and I'm in it. So pretty straightforward. You can pause the video or stop it if you want to catch up. But that's the file. This is going to have every single thing you need for this Google Sheets section. Tons and tons of sheets and demos of everything. So this should be, as I said, pretty exciting. I will try to control myself, but we're going to go through the basics of data and formulas and all this stuff. Like the other parts of the course, this is not a comprehensive Google Sheets course. This is some of the most valuable tools out there, and this is really meant to show you what's possible so that you do know what you can do, even if you don't know exactly how to do it. You know it's possible. You get better at asking Google the right questions with the right search terms. That's key. If you know the right search terms of what you want to do, you'll be able to figure it out. There's a lot of data out there. So this is going to be that somewhat deeper, somewhat higher level. So this will be a lot of advanced content, but also the basics. No matter what level you are, this is a good introduction to Google Sheets because you'll be introduced to everything that's possible. After this course, depends on how much you use this in your job. If you use it a lot, you're going to want to keep developing your skills. And there'll be a lot of ways to do that by just doing it and learning as you go. Even if you don't, at least you'll understand what's possible here. If other people are doing the work for you, that's fine. And if you don't use them all the time, that's okay also. This is still just really important knowledge for anyone in the business world at this point. Spreadsheets are fundamental to really most jobs. So hope you enjoy it.